Alright guys and girls, how's it going? I'm now looking at 41041, which is escape. Not meeting scheduler. We're doing escape, okay, and it's planned, and it's in work. And the URL, I think I've already set it. Let's just see, yeah, okay. So we can do that, and we know the browser it's going to open, because if we look at the high-level folder, we can see the test configuration is set. Okay, so let's just run that. By F6, we run it in a scratch pad. That worked. Let's go back. There we go. So it says, enter the value, click into the text box. Click. Okay, that's what it wants. Okay. So if we got the pre folder, the process folder, and the post folder. Okay. Pre is where you do your setup, and post is where you shut down. We can actually type something in here now. We can say close browser. Okay. And the title of the browser is going to be Tricentis obstacle course. Put an asterisk in there just in case it has anything after that. And let's just double check that. Tricentis obstacle course. It does have other things after it. For example, the name of the current obstacle, which we don't really care about. Now if we go back, we can close our pre and our post folders. In the process, we need to click on that folder, don't we? Not folder. We need to click on this field here. So let's scan it. So it's an application. It's not an API mobile PDF host or more. It's good to see this though. Application. By the way, I'm doing the Automation Anywhere training. It is god awful. So there's our web page. Just leave it as HTML. Click scan. And as usual, just gonna select it on screen. Condense that window, and then the resolution or the zoom is set to normal, so everything kind of matches up nice and neatly. So we want to input a click in here, and then finish the screen, advanced, open it up again, and click on close. So now we got something in here. Okay, we can drag this up now and into that process folder. And I think the test said we want to input a click. So the first choice for everybody is just paste that in there, see what happens. This is bad practice. You should always use X's for event-driven testing. And as you can see, the click, although it has worked, it has just clicked on it. It hasn't actually inputted the value click into the text box. Okay, so we go back, kill that. We don't want it to take it literally. It's because it's a command. So what we do is we will. This is called escaping. Okay, so we want to escape that, and we're telling Tosca it's not a click here command or an X. It is just a string, and we want you to input this string into this field. Yeah, it's back to front, okay, but that doesn't matter. Okay, let's try that. F6. Good job, you solved it. Let me try again. Okay, that's wonderful that we've done this. Don't forget, best practice. Let's have a look. Verify the window. The solution popped up. Now you guys are going to say, oh my god, why are you copying and pasting the same piece of code? It's reusable. That's right. I am going to address that. But for the time being, it's just a bunch of newbies who want you to go easy on them. I don't know why my Google phone is picking it up. So let's close that window. Got a new microphone as well, so you're probably hearing background noises as well. So let's just try this. Run it in the scratchpad, F6. Boom! There we have it. Let me close that window a little bit and reduce it. Result text. Hit me with the next one. That's it. Done. Alright, cool. On to the next one. Stop recording. Cheers, guys. Bye.